What's up guys? This is your Jancy Broker Ryan and today andito tayo sa Minami Residences at i-house tour ko kayo sa turnover unit namin and also sa aming dress-up unit. So tara! This is Hana Model, an 80 square meter house and lot. So pag binakuran nyo to guys, ang laki ng lupa nito. Check natin yung gilid. So this property here, this property line, kasya dito ang dalawang sasakyan. So, pwede mo itong i-convert into an alfresco dining. So, makikita mo sobrang daming greens. So, imagine kung meron ka ring table and chairs dito to eat out with your family. And also guys, this is a modern contemporary and Japanese style design. So, makikita mo lahat ng ginamit na materials is maganda. Hi guys, so pasok tayo. Medyo madilim lang kasi paggabi na. And ito yung ating dining area. So we have a sliding door here. So kung papasok ka dito, kung galing ka ng parking space at may groceries ka, dito ka na papasok. And then this will be your dining area. And this will be your living area. We have toilet and bath sa first floor. And then we have our kitchen here. So pwede mo siyang i-extend, palakihin. And then we have extra space here for laundry, and then going here to our carport. Okay, and then we will go to the second floor. And welcome to the second floor guys. We have 3 bedrooms here. Each bedroom is equally divided. Ayan, kasya ang single bed dito. And ang maganda dito, each bedroom meron kayong malaking windows. And then we have our second toilet and bath here. And this will be our master's bedroom. So ang ganda ng bintana niya kasi naka-corner siya. So ang laki ng bintana niya. And then this will be our last bedroom. So kung makikita nyo guys, for future expansion, malaki pa yung unit nito. So malaki pa yung pwede nyo i-extend sa harap. And then temporarily, kung gusto nyo malaki yung bedroom nyo, pwede nyo alisin to, itong wall na to, and then convert this into a one spacious bedroom. Sobrang laking bedroom nyo kung sakali. And then guys, if you are interested in buying or reserving a unit here in Minami Residences, we only have 34 units available in phase 4, so sobrang bilis na ito mabenta. This is the best-selling project we have here in General Trias, Cavite. Malapit to sa itinatayong SM Gentry, the biggest SM in General Trias, Cavite, or in Calabarzon. So if you're interested, sagot namin ang vehicle nyo papunta at pabalik. Just schedule your viewing with us. Lalagay namin yung phone number namin sa video. And just contact us, punta lang kayo dito, kaming bahala sa inyo. And then itutour ko naman kayo dito sa aming dress-up unit. Tara! So ito yung itsura niya kapag yung parking space nyo and yung harapan ng property is nakasemento na. And ma-appreciate natin yung laki ng property. And then, ayan, so guys, ito yung itsura ni Minami kapag dress-up na siya. So pag nilagyan nyo na siya ng furnitures and may extension na kayong ginawa, this will be your living area, so very spacious siya. And then, this will be your dining area. So, we will give you a montage guys. Bibigyan namin kayo ng montage para mas ma-appreciate nyo pa yung ganda ng property. And toilet and bath. Ayan.
Love.
And then, dito naman yung ating toilet and bath. So guys, since Christmas season is in the air, no, malapit nang magpasko. Ayun, so let's appreciate kung saan tayo nagluluto. So, pwede mo rin ipagawa ng ganito yung kitchen mo. And then, you also have a laundry area here. So, bago tayo makita sa second floor guys, just want to give shout out sa ating camera woman, no? Sobrang galing, sobrang talented. Thank you, Miss Roch, the Gen Z Realtor. And sobrang ganda niya. Visit niyo yung page niya. And then nakita tayo sa second floor. And this is our second floor, kung saan meron tayong 3 bedrooms. So this will be your kids' bedroom. Yan guys, just a touch of colorful colors. Ang ganda niya na tignan. And then our toilet and bath here is very spacious, guys. Pinalitan lang namin yung mga tiles dito and then ganito na siya kalawak. So it comes in complete with shower, toilet, and lavatory. And then our second bedroom. So imagine, guys, kung i-extend nyo si Minami, minimal extension lang to. So grabe, sobrang laki. So kasha ang dalawang single beds for your kids or adults, kasha. And then we are going here to our master's bedroom. And this will be our last bedroom. The most spacious. Spacious, no? So, this is the most spacious bedroom here. Pwede kang maglagay ng malaking cabinet like this. Pwede kang maglagay ng double size bed, queen size bed, or king size bed. So guys, this is perfect for a growing family. Karamihan ng buyers ko dito is gusto mag-upgrade or palaki na yung pamilya nila. So, imagine, meron kang lot size na malaki. So, babakuran mo lang yon, and then parking space for 2 bedrooms, expansion, lahat ay pwede mong gawin dito kay Minami Residences. So if you're interested, just don't forget to visit our page, our YouTube, or schedule a site visit with us. Contact our phone numbers, guys. Punta lang kayo dito, kaming bahala sa inyo.